Alright, so here is the best way on how to redeem codes in Mobile Legends. So, what you need to do first of all is to be on Mobile Legends, and you need to copy your ID before doing anything. So just go ahead and press on your profile where it says your name and everything. Just go ahead and press on that. And right over here, you'll see your ID right over here. Just go ahead and press on that and it will say copy to clipboard. Just like that. Once you do that, you need to minimize your game and go to any of your web browsers. So I'm just going to choose Google Chrome. And once you do this, here as you can see, you have to type in Mobile Legends. And once you type it in, you'll be able to see its own very official website, and you need to go ahead and open it up. Now you need to rotate your device in order to use it fully. Here on the corner, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Just go ahead and press on that. Right over here, you'll see tools as well. Just press on tools, and right over here, you'll see the option of redeem right next to payment. Press on that, and here as you can see, now you have to put game ID and zone ID. So I'll just paste both of them. Do is we have to get the verification code. Let me just get rid of the older ID. Now right over here, what you need to do is just simply press on verification code and it's gonna send the verification code. Now you have to go back in game and check your mails to check the verification code. And here as you can see, this is the code. Now you need to copy the code. So you just need to make sure that the code is over there and you have to put in the code over here. And yeah, once you do this, you have to put in the redemption code that you got, to redeem. Once this is done, just press on redeem and you will be good to go. So yeah, this is it. I hope this helped you out.